Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel and Izuwa. So in this video, I want to talk about this website which will pay you free USDT by just watching movie online. So this particular website which I'm about to talk about on this video will earn you free USDT without you investing anything to this particular website. So what this website does is that you have to come to it and watch some few videos, and once you watch those videos you earn free USDT, and this particular USDT you can also withdraw it to your crypto wallet. So all you need to do to get started is to follow the link in the description of my video. So once you open the link, all you need to do is to create an account using my link. Once you create an account, this is how the interface will look like. So this particular website is just an advertising website. So what this website does that for those who has for those who have a website, so you can advertise your website through this particular platform. You can see how the interface looks like. You can see that where it says advertise through our platform from $0.02 per click. So you can see how the thing is. So for every person who clicks on your link, like the link from this particular website, you earn 0.02. So this is just like an ad platform. So you have to create an ad on your website for those who have websites. So you can see that they have about 93,105 banners, like the banners of like the ads which they are displaying on its users. You can see the number of videos, you can see the pop-up ads, you can see the total number of users. You can see they have about 2,610,547 users using this particular website. So all you need to do is to go ahead, scroll down. You can see how the interface looks like. You can see this, you can see where it says it's an advertising platform. You can see that it's more cheaper. So you can see that there you can display your ad through banner or text ads. You can display your ad through pop-up windows. You can display your ad through promotional videos. So if you want to like promote your videos, you can come to this website and also promote your videos. So I'm going to show you guys on how you can earn from this particular website by just watching like videos and earn some free USDT. So all I need from you guys is to like and subscribe to my channel and Easy1, and also comment down below for any question about this particular website. So you can see how it is. Let's go ahead and scroll down. So you can see it. We're scrolling down. So you can see this is their calculator, like how much does advertising through soft.b platform cost. You can see how it is. So you can see that for banner text, like banner ads, you can see the amount you earn, that is $15. You can see the payment method, that is CPC. So you can see that for every 750 clicks you earn $15. That is approximately $0.02 per cost per click. You can see it here. So all you need to do is to sign up. So once you sign up using my link, you earn some free USDT by just watching videos. So for those who are using the desktop, so all you need to do is to download the Chrome, like install the Chrome extension into your laptop. And for those who are using mobile phone, I'll show you how you can and like install this particular website through your mobile phone. So let's go ahead to the mobile phone app. So you can see this is their mobile app. So to get this particular app, all you need to do is to follow the link in the description of my video, and also you can see the balance of the money which I earn from this particular website. So all you need to do to earn from this particular website is to go to where it says this dollar sign on top of this screen. So you just go to this dollar sign here, just click on it. So once you click on it, so they show you a pop-up, like a pop-up window. You can see the videos. You can see that this particular videos, once you watch this particular video for 20 seconds, this is the amount you will earn, 0.0049. So you can see that there are many videos for you to watch. All you need to do is to watch this video for 20 seconds. Once you watch this video for 20 seconds, you earn some free USDT. So all I need to do, like I'm going to go ahead and watch one particular video. So remember, this is my balance. You can see this is my balance. You can see that I have about 0.001. So let's go ahead and watch one video. As you can see that my balance has just increased by simply watching those videos on the tax section. So you can see the total amount which I earned from those particular videos which I awarded 0.002. So once you watch those videos, so all you need to do is to refresh your page. So once you refresh your page, a new task will be added. You can see that they have added new 3 tags to this particular website. So once you visit this website for 30 seconds, this is the amount you earn. So once you complete these 3 tasks given to you, all you need to do is to go back and come back again to refresh the page. So once you complete those tasks and refresh the page, a new task also will be added to you. So you can see that this is my balance now. And also, for those who have a website, I would advise you that this day you can use this particular website to monetize your website. You can see the amount per click that you earn, that is 0.02 per click. So you can also advertise your videos. Also, for those who want to promote their videos, you can also use this website to promote your videos also. And again, to withdraw your money from this particular website, all you need to do is to go to where it says the setting. So what you need to do is to click on that setting. So let me go ahead and click on the setting. So what you need to do is to click on where it says withdraw funds. So you can see that I'm not eligible. You can see that this is minimal threshold. So once I reach this minimum threshold of 0.02, I can easily withdraw my money. You can see that I've not reached their minimal threshold. So I advise those that want to make some few cents from this particular video, you can also watch as many videos as you can. And once you watch these videos, your balance keep increasing. And also remember that this particular video which I'm not talking about is not a get rich quick, but it can help you gain some few funds which you can use to sort out some things. So if you find this video engaging to you, so all I need from you guys is to like and subscribe to my video, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So peace out.